Looking for the best 3 plasma cutting machine to make your cutting faster, cleaner, and easier? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 3 plasma cutters on Amazon that are affordable, powerful, and trusted by thousands of users in the USA. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, small business owner, or professional fabricator, these machines can save you time and money while giving you professional level results. Stay tuned, because our number 3 pick is a game changer for budget-friendly cutting. Let's jump right in. Product 1, Lotus LTP 5800D Plasma Cutter, 150 words. The Lotus LTP 5800D is a heavy-duty plasma cutter designed for serious work. With its non-touch pilot arc, it cuts through rusty, painted, or rough metal with ease. It can sever up to 1 inch of steel, making it perfect for auto repair shops, farms, or construction projects. Pros: powerful cutting capacity, works on dirty metal, compact design. Cons: requires a good air compressor, can be noisy. Customer reviews: US buyers love its cutting power, saying it slices through thick steel like butter. Many mention it's reliable for both hobby and professional work. Why buy? If you need a tough plasma cutter for jobs like auto restoration, farm equipment repair, or fabrication, the Lotus LTP 5800D is built for you. Product 2, Andelicut 50DS Plasma Cutter, 150 words. Next up is the Andelicut 50DS, a 50-amp inverter plasma cutter known for its efficiency and lightweight design. It's perfect for home workshops, garages, or small shops where portability and precision matter. Pros: energy-efficient inverter technology, lightweight, easy digital controls. Cons: best for light to medium duty, manual could be clearer. Customer reviews: US customers love its smooth, clean cuts, saying it's perfect for DIY projects and small jobs. Many highlight how quick and easy it is to set up. Why buy? The Andelicut 50DS is ideal for hobbyists, artists, and small shop owners who need a dependable cutter for projects like sheet metal art, small repairs, or home fabrication. Product 3, Yeswelder Cut 50DS Digital Plasma Cutter, 150 words. Finally, the Yeswelder Cut 50DS is a compact and affordable plasma cutter that punches above its price. With a digital display and easy setup, it's user-friendly even for beginners. It cuts stainless steel, mild steel, and aluminum with smooth edges. Pros: budget-friendly, portable, easy-to-read digital display. Cons: best suited for medium-duty work, not heavy industry. Customer reviews: US buyers say it's a great entry-level cutter, and many are impressed with its performance compared to more expensive brands. Why buy? If you're new to plasma cutting or need a cost-effective option for garage projects, home repair, or creative metalwork, the Yeswelder Cut 50DS is a smart choice. Outro. And that's our list of the best 3 plasma cutting machines on Amazon. Whether you want the heavy-duty power of the Lotus, the versatile Andeli, or the budget